Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to refresh your inbox in Gmail on your PC with the latest updates. Whether you're looking to see new emails or just want to keep your inbox up to date, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your email interface, filled with all your messages and important updates. Next, let's open your inbox. On the left side menu, you'll see various options like Starred, Sent, Drafts, and of course, your inbox. Click on the Inbox option to display all your incoming emails. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're in your inbox, it's time to refresh it. Look toward the top of the page there. You'll spot a refresh icon. It looks like a circular arrow. Go ahead and click on that refresh icon. Just like that, your inbox will update to show any new messages that have come in since you last checked. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily refresh your Gmail inbox on your PC. Keeping your inbox updated ensures you won't miss out on important emails, and it helps streamline your email management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering Gmail and other tech tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.